Hey guys, if your Bluetooth shows error code 43 on Windows 11, it means Windows has stopped the device because of a driver or power issue. This usually causes Bluetooth to disappear, fail to turn on, or not detect any devices. First step, restart your PC. This resets temporary driver and power problems. If that doesn't help, right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. Expand Bluetooth, right-click your Bluetooth adapter, and choose Disable Device. Wait 10 seconds, then right-click it again, and select Enable Device. If the error is still there, right-click the Bluetooth adapter and choose Uninstall Device. Confirm the uninstall, then restart your PC and let Windows reinstall the driver automatically. Next, update your Bluetooth driver from your laptop or motherboard manufacturer's official website. Generic drivers sometimes cause error code 43 on Windows 11. Now check Power Management settings in Device Manager, double-click the Bluetooth adapter, go to the Power Management tab, and uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Click OK, then restart your PC. You should also run Windows Update and install all optional driver updates, as these often include Bluetooth fixes for Windows 11. After doing these steps, Bluetooth should work normally again. These methods fix Bluetooth error code 43 on Windows 11 for most users. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more Windows fixes, and I'll see you in the next one.